In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Revolut business account. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to open a Revolut business account, the first thing you must do is open up the Revolut website. From there, we'll be able to see 4 different options at the top. However, the second one along is business, and we just want to click on that so that we can get taken to this page. From there, we can actually create an account by clicking join now, and we will then get redirected to this page, and here's where we can start setting up our account. So you first have to choose which country you set your business up in, and I'm from the United Kingdom, so I'm going to leave mine as United Kingdom. From there, I'll click continue, and then you have to select the legal type or structure that best describes your business. And this helps them set the right account up for you. So you need to select this and then choose whichever applies to you. But I'm just going to choose a private limited company. From there, I can click continue. And we now have the option to actually sign up for an account. So we first need to enter in an email address so that they can send us a confirmation code. However, you can also use your Google or Apple account if that's what you prefer. So from here, you can simply go over to your emails and they will have sent you a code. So you can just enter that in this section here. From there, you'll also have to enter in a phone number. So simply type that in here and they will also send you a confirmation code for this as well. So from here, we can create a password. And they also tell you what your password must contain, so make sure it includes all of this or it will not let you create a password. From there, we just want to confirm our password and we can click continue. From here, it tells me that I've already got an account, and to save me having to enter in my details multiple times, I can simply choose my account which I've already got. And I now just need to enter in my password to my personal account so that I can link it to my business account. From here, it's going to ask about our business, so we first have to search for our business's legal name. And from there, you can click continue and you just want to answer all of these questions about your business. And once they've finished inquiring about your business, they will have actually set up your business account and you will have successfully have opened a Revolut business account. So I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.